Would you believe me if I told you there's a quick and easy way to earn $35? Yes, there is, and you don't have to do much, because I made sure this is very simple to do, especially for those who are just getting started with doing online work. The best part is that you don't have to invest anything because this is completely free. And you can literally do it from anywhere in the world. You can make money with this brand new strategy that I'll show you in today's video, and I want that to happen to you as well. Which is why I highly recommend that you watch this video all the way to the end so that you'll know how to do it. Don't worry, I'll walk you through every step of the way, and I'll show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to do this strategy later. Now, I'll try to keep this video short so that you can start making money right away. The first step is to go to this website called pexels.com, which is a website where you can download copyright-free images. Pexels is a free stock photo and video website and app that helps designers, bloggers, and anyone else looking for visuals find great photos and videos that can be downloaded and used for free. If you like a photo or video, simply download it for free on Pexels. Now, what I want you to do is search for black and white photos. You can do this by going to the search box and typing black and white photo, then hitting enter. If you scroll down below, you'll notice that they have a lot of free black and white photos that you can download. We'll be using these photos later on to make money online. Okay, the next step is to go to this website called colorize.com. I don't talk much about this website in my videos. But basically, Colorize is a tool that allows you to turn your black and white photos into colored photos using artificial intelligence. Colorize.com is an AI-powered photo colorizer that simplifies the entire process of colorize drops. With Colorize.com, you can colorize old photos. Deep Learning, the AI photo colorizer, allows you to colorize black and white photos, yellowish or gray images in seconds. It's actually very simple to use this tool, as you can see here. You only need 3 steps to colorize a photo using this app. You first need to prepare your digital black and white photo, then you need to upload that photo. And finally, you can download the colorized photo for free. That's pretty awesome, right? I'll now show you how to use this tool, because we will be using it a lot. Okay, on the homepage of this website, you'll see a box where you can upload your photo. Click on that, and then choose the black and white photo that you want to colorize. You can download some photos from Pexels and then upload them here. After uploading your photo, it will take a few seconds for their AI to colorize your photo. And then you'll have a fully colored photo from this black and white photo. As previously stated, you can download this colorized photo for free by simply clicking on this download button. You can also do this using your mobile phone, so even if you don't have a computer or laptop, you can still use this AI tool. Now let's try to colorize another photo. You basically have to do the same thing as before by clicking on this upload button and then choosing your photo. Wait a few seconds and now you have a colorized photo. You can basically colorize a lot of photos if you want to. And later on I'll show you where you can make money by using this free tool. So keep watching and don't skip any parts, because I'll have another website that I want to share with you that you can use to make money as well. Now, not many people are talking about the websites that I'm sharing with you on my videos, so you're very lucky to be watching this right now. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Another website I'd like to show you today is remove.bg, which is another tool that allows you to remove backgrounds 100% automatically in 5 seconds with 0 clicks. There are roughly 20 million more interesting activities than removing backgrounds by hand, thanks to remove.bg's clever artificial intelligence. As you can see, this is an example of a photo with a background removed using this free tool. If I slide this button to one side, I can see the photo with a background, and if I slide it to the other side, I can see the photo without a background, and all of this is done using their advanced AI tool. The best part is that it's 100% free. Yes, you read that correctly. You can use this AI tool for free, and later on, you can use it to make money online, which I'll show you how to do in just a moment. But first, let's see how this tool works. On their homepage, you can see that you can upload a photo or simply drag and drop a photo into this box. I'll try to use this photo as an example. As you can see, they removed the background from this photo in a matter of seconds. And as you can see here, you can download this photo for free by clicking on either of these 2 links. If you want a higher resolution, you can simply click here, and it will now be downloaded straight to your computer. You can also do this on your mobile phone, so don't worry. If you don't have a computer or a laptop, you can still use these two apps to earn money. Another website is called fiverr.com. I know a lot of you are already familiar with this website, but for those who aren't, this is an online platform for freelance services where freelancers can offer their services to customers all over the world. What you need to do now is go to the search box and type in a colorized photo, then hit the search button. You will now see all of the people who are selling this type of service. As you can see, the payment ranges from $5 to $25. And all they do is colorize photos using the website that I mentioned earlier. You can simply upload a black and white photo, and the colorize.com AI tool will do all the work for you. Right now, in order to earn money from Fiverr, you must first create an account, which you can do by clicking on Become a Seller right here. Then you must go to this page where you can sign up as a seller for free by filling in the required information. The next website where you can sell is over at peopleperhour.com, which is similar to Fiverr. All you have to do is search for background removal, and then you'll be able to see all of these people who are selling their service. The payment for this type of skill ranges from $10 to $35, which is a lot of money you can make by simply removing backgrounds from photos. And you don't have to do much, because you can just use remove.bg to do so. To begin selling your services on peopleperhour.com, you must first sign up for a free account, which you can do by clicking on this link at the top of the page. When you get to this page, make sure you click on I want to work as a freelancer and then fill out the required information. Now that you have accounts on both Fiverr and People Per Hour, you can begin selling your services on these websites. For example, if you want to colorize black and white photos, you can use colorize.com. And if you want to remove the background from a photo, you can use remove.bg. You can do this again and again until you have your desired income. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.